Hi guys, Steve up at the property, and it's been a while. I think I haven't been up here in about a month. We had a lot of really cold weather, a lot of snow, and I finally saw on my weather app on the phone that it was going to be in the 40s today, and I can see from my security camera that there's a lot less snow. There is Most of the snow has melted and frozen, and everything is like really slick. But what I want to do today is, well, I came up here because I wanted to collect the SD cards out of the trail cams because I haven't been up here for a month, and I wanted to put the black electrical tape on that wire just because it was bothering me, and I wanted to fire up the backhoe. I'm hoping I don't have to jump it. I got the brand new batteries in there, and I was hoping to run up by the easement and start clearing out um, on that easement, the roadway. It's split in two, and on one side, the previous owner had dumped a lot of, cut down trees uh, to block that side. But I think that side is the better side. It's not angled so much, and it's a lot less sketchy. So I'm going to try to clear that out if I can get this thing started. I already collected all the SD cards, so once I repair that wire, I fire it up, get it warmed up. I'll go up there, we'll try to clear that out, do a little work with the backhoe today, and then I'm going to be calling it a day and running home. So let's get to work. Hi guys, Steve up at the property, and as you can see, we've had some more snow. Um, we're back to do just a little correction on the backhoe. We had that one wire that was kind of split, the exciter wire going to the alternator. So I didn't feel comfortable just leaving that open. It looks like it'd been open for a while, but the wire didn't seem like it was, the wire itself wasn't split, just the insulation. So I couldn't find any at home shrink wrap for wires. So I went online, Amazon. This is the Eventronic 560 piece heat shrink tube assortment, all different colors, different sizes. This was like $5. I couldn't believe it. And I had purchased, normally when I use the heat shrink tubes, I would just grab a lighter for whatever I had around the house. But I purchased these little propane flamethrower things off of Amazon too, because when I come up to the property, I got a padlock on the gate at the entrance to the property, and I have a padlock on the garage. And this time of year, the water gets in there, it freezes, and you can't get the key in there. And I had an old lighter in the truck, and it's not working. So I need something serious, so I don't have to worry about coming up here and not being able to open the padlock to get my truck in. So this should work great with the shrink wrap tubing. Just got to pop open the side cover, and it's already got an eye on the end. So what we're going to do to get the shrink tubing on it, it's just going to slice the shrink tubing down, put it around the wire itself, because I'm not taking the eye off, and shrink wrap it like that. That'll be fine. So let's get to work. I don't recall the name of this, but it was relatively cheap. You get two of them, and here's the thing. I'll put underneath here the name of the object and the price. You get two in the box. So I got one for here and one for my toolbox at home. And you gotta buy the butane can to load it. There's a little hole in here, and you just stick it on there and you fill it up, and it works fine. So now I got something I can keep this, and if I ever run out, I could just get the butane. I forget how the can. I'll put the can underneath too. I think it was 6 ounces, whatever it is. I'll put the details. Links to everything are always in the description. There's the split. Okay, here's the shrink tubing. and it's very cold, so my hands aren't working too good. Normally I would just use the knife to cut it, but instead we're just going to use my little handy dandy Swiss knife and use the scissors so I don't slice my hand open. There we go. This way we could just pop it on top of the wire. I'm trying to do this so I could show you and at the same time do the repair. It's not very easy. Okay. Well, that didn't work too good. Let's try that again. Can't get at it. Wow, just not working. What the hell? Well, just too big. I have to go back to the smaller one and hope for the best. And this just isn't working. Wow. Yeah, maybe I got a really cheap shrink wrap. I don't like the way that looks. I'm sure you don't either. Well, I'm not using this backhoe right now because of all the snow. But yeah, this is concerning. It's just not shrinking. I got the heat on it all right. Yep, no good. Okay, see, it came right off. It's weird. Well, guys, I wasn't having much luck with slicing open the shrink wrap tubing to seal up that little exposed wire there. Kind of aggravating. You know, normally you would have the wire and you'd spin it and heat it up, and the shrink tubing works great. Maybe that's just not a really good method. I saw it on YouTube. I figured let me try it for this because, you know, it's cold, and you know, normally what I would do is take the eye off. I have, you know, more eyes, you know, with the solder in it already, and you can heat it up and crimp it. I would take off the eye that's there, slip on the shrink wrap tubing. Not enough room to twist it in there as you're heating it. So that's a tough spot. So what I'm gonna do just to protect it is, and I'm mad at myself because you know, I don't live here, so I bring tools with me. I have some tools in the garage, but I don't have electrical tape with me. So I'll come back next time I'm up here, put electrical tape on it. I'm not using the machine, so nothing's gonna happen to it. I'll, you know, wrap it up with electrical tape. That'll be fine. But the torch works great. I love that thing. It was cheap, is inexpensive. Maybe the shrink wrap tubing I got for $5 for 150 pieces. You know, it was dirt cheap. I say, how can you go wrong? Maybe it's just not good quality stuff. Maybe with good stuff, it would have worked. Who knows? Okay, I know I'm blocking your view and I apologize, but we're just putting electrical tape on that wire. That's it. It's protected now. I have peace of mind. All right, let's fire her up. Fired right up. Brand new batteries, brand new big powerful batteries. That'll help. Plus it's like 40, 45 degrees today. That's a big help as well. I'm glad it fired right up. All right, I gotta move my pickup truck and we'll head over to the easement and see about straightening that place up a little bit.